In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Binance. To do this, first what you want to do is open up Kraken and just head over to your portfolio, whether using the app or website doesn't matter. Now from there, find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to Binance. So down here under your balances, you will see what you own. For example, I'll use Bitcoin and transfer Bitcoin. Now from there, what you can do is search for a withdrawal button. So you can see right here, it says withdrawal, go and click on withdrawal. For the network, just select the same network that you're going to pick on Binance. Doesn't really matter which one, just make sure it's the same on both. Most often people will use for Bitcoin the Bitcoin network, so that's the one I'll pick. Now next, what you need to do is open up the Binance app or website, whichever one you want to use, and just find the deposit button. Now from there, you want to search deposit crypto, so select deposit crypto and just pick the same cryptocurrency that you are sending from Kraken, which in my case is Bitcoin. So just gonna select the same cryptocurrency, and then you will see all the available networks. Now here, what I mentioned earlier is you need to select the same network, which in my case here was the Bitcoin network. So here I would also just pick Bitcoin, and from there it will give you your wallet address. So what you want to do is just click on the copy icon, and then here click add withdrawal address and paste in that withdrawal address for your Binance account. They can give the nickname, such as in this case Binance Bitcoin, just for you to recognize it. And from there they will send you an email to check if it's actually you, and you need to click on a button in that email that confirms that you want to add this withdrawal address. After that, you can just select it from your list and choose how much you want to send, either in euro or dollar or pound, or in the currency. So for example, I'll just do 10 euros right here, or actually the minimum is 20, so I'll do 20 euros. Then click review, and then you can confirm it. And after you confirm it, in this case the Bitcoin will be on its way to my Binance account. Now this works the same for all cryptocurrencies, so just enter the withdrawal address. So just click on withdraw on the cryptocurrency, then on Binance find the same cryptocurrency where you deposit it and select the same network. Then get your wallet address on Binance, paste it in on Kraken, and just gonna send the crypto. Now I recommend sending a small amount first and then transferring the rest of the crypto if you're doing a large amount, just to make sure that it arrives, but if you follow these steps then it should arrive. So that's how to transfer from Kraken to Binance. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.